Welcome back to Uprooted Adventures Area 1. I'm David, and that's my lovely wife over there, Caitlin. We are taking you on a little venture today. We're going to Sedona, and thereabouts. Probably do a little day hiking tomorrow, and just kind of show you around the place and just kind of take you with us. I'm also going to do a little review on this 2015 RAV4 that I'm in. Not so much a review as can we live in this thing full time, or is it better just part time, or is it actually a good adventure vehicle? It's all-wheel drive. It's about the size of a 4Runner inside, but it gets great gas mileage, 30 miles per gallon. So we're gonna have a little setup planned. Once we get to the campsite, I'm gonna set everything up, and I'll show you all what we have done and what I would probably do in the future if I were to keep this. We are gonna do our truck, camper, and truck. Just in the future, we're thinking about something smaller and getting in tighter spots, or if this would be better because it gets so much better gas mileage. So let's get to the campsite, if I can talk, and I'll show you around. Welcome everyone. This is the campsite. Nice little secluded spot in the National Forest, about 30 minutes from Sedona. I just kind of want to show you our little setup we have here. We got little chairs you just saw, Rusty. Walk over here and I'll show you the setup of the SUV we got here. Very simple, axe shovel, got a little toilet, got a little cook stove, got water, 2 totes of just stuff, a cooler around the side. But this is what we did. And that is a full-size mattress, which the box reads, it's 54 inch by 75 inch and 10 inches tall. It does kind of go up a little bit, so we put this guy here to kind of level it out, and this kind of makes it a little bit tall, but I fit in there. I'm 6'2", 195 pounds. Heel to head to toe I touch. So my wife is 5'2", undisclosed weight. I'm not going to tell her that because I like the way my face is arranged. We're not going to tell her that, or tell you guys that. But come around this side. You can kind of see I got some storage under here. You can put stuff in here still, so you got some room. It's kind of hard to tell, but we can put our bags up here. We got our bags over here as well up front. So we throw our bags and everything we want up here. I would personally, if I was going to do this full time, I would build a platform. You can do like this is a 10-inch mattress, so build a platform, get it level, put prongs and legs all the way out to here, and then maybe do like a 4-inch foam mattress so it won't be so tall. I'll crawl in there and I'll show you how much room I got. So, I mean, there's still some room in here. The wife has plenty of room to lay right here. Plus, we got a little dachshund that's going to lay in here. Of course, I'll probably scoot up a little farther. My feet are hanging out now, but it's kind of rounded. So at 6'2", my left foot's going to kind of hit, but my right foot's not really going to hit. She'll have plenty of room, but it's enough for 2. You know, any more of that and a dachshund, it ain't a whole lot. We'll definitely pan back in tomorrow and kind of tell how we slept. Like I said, at the air mattress, we're going to be kind of waking each other up, rolling over and all that stuff. I would do a platform.
And a foam mattress.
But the reason I wanted to show you guys this, because it's basically, I sat in the 4Runner, brand new one. We went and looked at them. And it's basically the same amount of room as a 4Runner. So, but we get 30 miles per gallon versus 18, maybe 20 tops of 4Runner. Of course, you can do rooftop tents and stuff on those. You can probably do rooftop tent on this as well. But this is just a simple setup. I mean, tomorrow, because we thought we had a nice little river spot, but it turns out you actually need a tent to carry down there and camp. So came back up the road and we found this little spot here, set up. We'll probably just deflate this in the morning, you know, throw these stuff on top and then hit the road again, go play in Sedona tomorrow. And then when we find a spot, throw everything out, air up the mattress, and then boom, on the road again. Or you're sleeping again. But the capabilities of this is, the only problem is it doesn't have 4 low. So it does have a locking center diff. So under 25 miles an hour you can lock it. but it doesn't quite have that low end torque like a 4Runner would or a Jeep would or something like that. But it's going to do all of your forest roads. It's going to pretty much take you most of the places you want to at 30 miles per gallon. So it's hard to beat. I mean, if you want to hit all the national parks, this would be the thing to do. If you want to get back there, if you want to do like the Rubicon Trail and stuff, you're not going to get anywhere in this thing. It doesn't have a CVT transmission, so it does have a little bit of low end power, but it's a 6-speed transmission, but it's not too bad. Only issue with this is I think it's just this body style. The previous body style didn't have it, and the newer one actually definitely doesn't have it. But the you can see underneath, I don't know if you can tell from back here, but the front header pipe hangs down kind of low. So you have to dodge rocks with that if you're trying to go over obstacles and stuff like that.
Only have about 8 inches of clearance, I think, where that pipe hangs down.
Yeah, I think I measured it where the pipe hangs down, but the front, I think it's like 13 inches or something like that. She can plow through with 2 feet of snow, no problem. We live where, you know, back in the mountains where every time you take a step, when it gets muddy, you grow an inch. So, and this thing just has no problem going through the mud. She's a traveling CNA, and she does snow, mud, you know, back roads, bumpy roads, all day long, and it's just a good little car. So, but if you want to get way, way deep back in there, a Jeep or a 4Runner or something like that is going to be the better option. But for just your average, most people, what they want to do, I mean, the main road's right here. You know, we just pull right off. But I'm sure if I can find some off-camber spots tomorrow, maybe I'll do some off-camber shots of what kind of terrain it can go over. But other than that, you know, it's pretty versatile. We can put stuff on top. It's got a roof rack. Like I said, we don't have plans on traveling in this thing, but...
And just to clarify, that's not a main road. That's a Forest Service road. So there's a little bit of traffic, but nowhere near what a real main road would have.
Yeah, so far, maybe once every half an hour we've had someone come by. I think by nighttime it'll probably die down. We'll have a little fire and stuff, but...
And the benefit of this is we haven't really seen any four-wheelers or side-by-sides or Jeeps, which if you're closer to Sedona, like right in the Red Rock Vistas, you're going to have is every 5-10 minutes you're going to have someone hauling down the road, kind of creating dust.
So like, I don't think, did you say that National Forest? But it's 14-day camping out here.
Yep, Coconino National Forest.
Coconino National Forest, so it's a neat little spot. It's perfect weather right now. What's it, like 67? You know, when we first got here, the sun was on us. It was a little bit warm, but you know, we just kind of find a little shade spot, and you know, it's just something like this is so easy. We can pack it up, and then we can go into head in town, go see the shops, and go play around. You don't have to get a hotel room. I'm even kind of looking at, you know, just like I said, in the future, after maybe a truck camping, we want to do something a little more smaller, so we get into tighter spots, or just go start seeing the sights inside of town. Something like this would be really cool. But I could see maybe once every 2 weeks get a hotel room to really just clean off and relax, stuff like that. I couldn't see just living in this permanently. It'd probably get tiring. I'll let you know tomorrow after we sleep in it and stuff like that how much more aches and pains. I'm getting old, you know. I get aches and pains every morning as it is. I need a nice hot shower, but that's the thing, we don't have a shower system. But yeah, that's really about it. Like I said, we'll check back in tomorrow, let you know how we slept, and we'll go from there. We got some bratz cooking. Rusty whining. And a little fire going. Just getting ready for nightfall. Can't have camping without a fire. Right, Rusty? Yeah, he says so. Bratz. There's Rusty whining. And the brats are done. Let's see what the verdict is.
Perfect.
Of course she says that. It's always perfect. All you need on a brat is mustard. That's all you need. Don't put anything else on it. Come on. And I'm going to grub because I'm starving. So, see you guys in the morning. Alright, as you can see, first night was a success. We made it. We survived. What do you say, babe? Was it comfortable?
It was pretty comfy for me.
I didn't mind it. Without the dachshund, would have been a lot better. That little guy, I think he was a gymnast in the fucking bed last night. He was rolling around and all over the place last night, trying to crawl into our legs and everything. But It was actually pretty comfortable. I think a further on setup, I'm gonna need a platform with the foam mattress. Be a lot better because when you're rolling the air mattress, we roll each other around and it squeaks and squawks. But I fit. I lay on my side a lot, so it's not really a big deal. I even slept on my back last night and was okay. So, but I feel rested, feel good. Definitely, if I were to do a long term in this, definitely a platform, foam mattress, a shower setup. We just did the wipes and stuff like that. So. Clean yourself up. We got a 5-gallon water drum right there. Had some trees and egg burritos this morning. I already did a man poop out there in the woods, so all's good. But yeah, so far so good. First night, we're gonna go play around in Sedona there, and maybe do a little hike, and then kind of scout for a little bit better spot. We're just gonna kind of see what we can find, and we may even come back here tonight if we can't find anything. So. First night's in the books, and I like it. So, see you guys later. But right behind that little mound is the Chapel of the Cross. Is that right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, Chapel of the Cross. And right there, it's a little 1.2 mile hike. On our way there to do that now. Right?
Right.
Well, Chapel of the Holy Cross was packed. If you do anything in Sedona, do it at like 3 o'clock in the morning because you just can't get to it. And everything's just full here. So many people.
Or ride a bike.
Or ride a bike or a motorcycle because there's no parking anywhere. But it's still a beautiful town. There's still lots of things to see and do. But if you're going to get up and go do some hiking, do it early in the morning. It's about 11 o'clock now, but we are a little late. We took our time. But we're just going to enjoy ourselves, see what we can find, what we do, and we'll bring you along with us. Well, we're back at we're not back at, but we're at a new site now. Got some pretty cool views here. Some back over here too. And of course, here's a little campsite. Secluded little spot. And the way we have everything set up is pretty simple. Like I said, we just deflated that mattress and had everything laying on top of it, all that stuff, and then little table over there. Took about 10 minutes to set it all up. I think I want to show you guys is we had to take these apart, or basically unzip them all the way, put one on the bottom and one on top. Laying two side by side wasn't going to quite work for us, but that worked out quite nicely last night. And then we'll do night number 2 here. Let you know how we sleep again. And yeah, about to cook up some burgers here soon and maybe get some more firewood, and we'll see you guys at dinner. Do little burgers tonight. A little salt, a little pepper, a little sea salt. Really all you need. Don't have bacon, but you know. It'll still be good. Good cheeseburgers. A little more on the other side. It wasn't quite burning evenly, so I had to move this out of the way, and hopefully I can get more even burn going here, but the wind's coming in now, so let's see how this works. It's getting there. So we're thinking about doing some camp and cook videos for you guys. Just like overnighters, and we're going to come up with like a rating system, how easy it is to cook this meal, prep it while you're out in the wild and all that stuff, and then the cleanup as well. So if you guys are interested in something like that, you know, comment down below and let us know if you're interested in seeing those kind of videos, and we'll get them out to you. Cheese on there melting. Almost ready. So, we got 2 burgers here. We did a big old thing of sourdough, piece of bread, and then we just cut it in half. So, here we go. My verdict, as always, is going to be good. What you got there?
A delicious burger on sourdough with cheddar and potato salad.
And what do you have there?
A bottle of the finest from Oak Creek Brewing Company. Amber Ale, one of my favorites. Brewed right there in Sedona.
Yep, saw it in the shop, thought we'd try it. Pretty good. Even Rusty thinks so. Alright everybody, that's the end of night 2. As you see, it's all deflated now. We're just going to start stacking everything back on there. It's real simple, 5 to 10 minutes, and we're ready to go. Verdict on night 2, same as night 1, really. My back's going to take about a week to get used to any new bed, whether I stay in a hotel or not. So, but still comfy. As soon as you get in there, it's nice and cozy and comfortable. Without a dog would be best, but 2 people, just fine. No issues at all. Question is, would we consider this full timing, or can I use an Overlander? Yes, I would use it. Especially if you're trying to, say you had a summer off and you're trying to hit everything as fast as you can, you want to save on gas, I think it'd be great to live in. Of course, I'd do the setup a little different. Like I said, I'd put a little platform, a different bedding, a storage compartment on top so I can get better stuff, a shower system, you know, a few things I would change, but I think it almost has a little more room than a 4Runner because it's a dome shape, so I think it's quite nice. Overlanding, like I said, nothing too extreme. But like I said, that's a forest road out there. There's all dirt road, and this is like a little side road. And it has some off cambers and stuff, no problem. As you see, we're out here in the middle of pretty much nowhere. Nope. We don't really care for campsites. You know, if we have to use them, we will. But I like that there's no one next to me, no one over there. So this will get you out there if you need to, and it's comfortable, and it gets you there on the dime. You know, it's not expensive at all for gas. So that's going to be about it. That's going to wrap up our video. Until next time, keep those dreams of adventure alive. Oh wait, hold on. Stop that. If you like this video, hit like. Please subscribe, help this channel out, and comment down below if you have any questions. Now, keep those dreams of adventure alive. Take care.